My name is Taren Taylor. I'm the Dean of School of Health and Wellness. In the School of Health and Wellness at Bow Valley College, we prepare graduates for, jobs in the healthcare system. So in Alberta's healthcare system, we offer programs from entry-level certificates to specialized diplomas and post-diploma credentials. So whether a student is looking to start their career or advance their career, there's a pathway within our school for them. Our students learn in classrooms and in labs and in simulation environments and really take those skills into real-world clinical experiences. We are leaders in innovation and technology, combining simulation-based learning with virtual reality and immersive room environments, as well as AI-enabled mannequins and such, to be able to provide students with the closest experience to a real world in that safe environment where they can really practice their skills before going out into their future roles. The way that we look at healthcare education and combining all of those pieces together, integrating technology into our curriculum, being able to provide those experiences to students, we're providing a level of education that truly prepares these students to get jobs. We have a 97% our graduate employment rate as well, so that's a really great reason to see to come and study at Bow Valley College, is that our students are getting those jobs.